Hi everyone, your laptop battery may be draining faster because some useful Windows 11 energy settings are still turned off. Windows 11 includes energy recommendations that can suggest quick changes to reduce power usage, improve battery life, and make your device more energy efficient. First, open Settings on your Windows 11 computer. Next, click System from the left panel. Then select Power and Battery. Next, click Energy Recommendations. Windows will show several suggested changes based on your current settings. Then, review each recommendation and click Apply beside the settings you want to change. You may see suggestions such as reducing screen brightness, shortening the screen timeout, turning off the screensaver, using a more efficient power mode, or enabling dark mode. Finally, you can also click Apply All if you want Windows to enable every available energy-saving recommendation at once. That's it. A simple Windows 11 feature that can help your laptop battery last longer without changing each setting manually.